Hello everyone and welcome back to Whimsy Creek Art. Alright, today we have episode 14 of our beginner paint pour series. And today I'm going to demonstrate the Dutch pour technique. And this is inspired by an amazing, inspiring acrylic pour artist. She's super talented. And her name is Rinske Duna. And she is a Dutch pour artist. And that's why it's kind of nicknamed the Dutch pour method. And I will link her down below so you can check out some of her art. She's just amazing. Alright, so I've already flooded the canvas with white. And for the Dutch method, the Dutch pour, you do want your paints quite a bit thinner. So you're going to add quite a bit of water and thin those paints out quite a bit. Okay, so we don't want too much, just a little puddle there. And that's the, and then a little bit of the Key West. Not too much though. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a hair dryer. And the Dutch pour method can be done with your mouth, blowing with your mouth. It can be done with a straw, aquarium tubing. You can do it several different ways, but today we're just going to go ahead and use a hair dryer. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a ring of white around, and then you're going to kind of use the hair dryer to blow the white up over the color. And so I'm actually going to go ahead and take my palette knife at this time and just kind of push some of that white up over the top of this here. Since I've got it close to the edge, it's just easier to do it with the palette knife. And I'm just throwing some white up over the top of that. All right, and let me show you the hair dryer I'm going to use today. So this is the hair dryer I will be using today, this Conair, and it does have a cool mode. So I'm going to use the high, but on the cool mode. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get right down there pretty well parallel at just a little slight angle. And we're just going to feather it across and blow it across the canvas. All right, sorry about the noise at this point, but the hair dryer is a little noisy. Right. And now what I like to do also is I will take my aquarium tubing and I will blow out just the edges to kind of give it a little bit more of an organic look to it. So all right, I'll show you that. All right, that just kind of gives it a little bit more of an organic shape to it than just kind of a blob in the middle. All right, so that is the Dutch paint pour technique. And thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you can join me next time.